Hello, behind me is the Toyota GR86. It's using the EyeSight from Subaru. The EyeSight from Subaru is very similar with the Toyota Safety Sense. And the EyeSight sensor is here. 1, 2. And it's only available for automatic transmission. So the safety features from EyeSight includes the lane departure warning, pre-crash braking, and reverse automatic braking. And also it comes with this cruise control. So how to use it, I'll show you. It's similar with the Toyota Alphard. This is to turn on and off. On, off. Resume, set. Resume or set. This is to increase the speed and this is the decrease. To cancel, just pull towards you. Okay? You lift up and hold is like it will increase every 5 km per hour. Same goes to going down. And for the information display, you go to the radar cruise control. Okay, now I turn it on first. On, and this button. This button is to set the distance. Off, on. If on, it's stated on here. And off, the icon will go off. Okay, let me show you how to use the cruise control. Let's go. To use the cruise control, now you turn on by pressing it. I'm cruising at 70. I'm cruising at 80. So I press set. So it shows that it's 81. Okay, 80. So if the car at the front is slowing down, it will slow down itself. You can always cancel it without turning off by pressing the brake. When you cancel, you turn white. You can resume by pull it up. Now it's green. It means that it's active now. It will speed up itself and brakes itself according to the car at the front. So this is how the active cruise control works. And this button is, you can set the distance that you want. There's 4, 3, 2, 1. And you still need to hold the steering wheel because once you depart to another lane, it will give you a warning. So if you want to decrease the speed, just pull down. Now it's 80. About I put 79, 78. So if I go for 60, I just down and hold. So you have to go up again, then up and hold. And also when the traffic is stopped, let's see what happened. I'm not pressing anything. It's blinking. So it will say that the cruise control is off, so you have to manually step on your brakes. It's not like the Toyota safety sense, which is they will put the word waiting. So this is the difference between the Toyota safety sense and the EyeSight from the Subaru. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.